Insecticides are agents used in agriculture to manage insect pests, which can actually ruin the entire crop in some cases. The insecticide production process is multi-stage and comprises a wide range of technological operations. The first stage involves the synthesis of active ingredient. Organic and inorganic raw materials are processed in reactors, undergoing the chemical transformations that create a technical insecticide. After that, the active substance is fractionated, dried, and prepared for the subsequent stages. The next important step is to formulate the final product, where the active ingredient is converted into a ready-to-use insecticide. Spraying is one of the most common methods of using insecticides in agriculture, so before use, the active substance of insecticide is often diluted with water and then applied to the surface of plants. At this stage, it is very important to obtain a homogeneous solution. However, not all the existing mixers are capable of ensuring the required homogeneity. This leads to the fact that in some places, the product is used excessively, while in other places, insufficiently in terms of quantity. As a result, pests do not die completely, but ruin part of the crop. In view of the above, GlobeCore professionals have developed an insecticide production technology with the use of USB-5 mixing units. A USB-5 unit operates on a cyclic basis. It implements precise batching of initial constituents into a reactor tank wherein rapid and uniform mixing of these constituents occurs as facilitated by a high-speed impeller mixer. After obtaining a homogeneous emulsion, the final product can be filled into containers and sent for sale or long-term storage, or fed directly into the tanks of the machinery used for spraying the crop plants. The main advantages of the USB-5 unit include the ability to work with constituents of different forms, both liquids and bulks, flexibility in terms of initial formulation. At customer's request, the equipment can be manufactured for a different number of constituents with the ability to adjust the mixer speed, which ensures the homogeneity of the resulting agent even while working with viscous constituents. Work process automation, which greatly facilitates the equipment operation and maintenance. In this case, the operator just needs to select the ratio of constituents and put the equipment into operation. The operator can observe the mixing process through a special sight glass. Wide capacity range. It is possible to custom make USB-5 units with a capacity ranging from several hundred to several thousand liters of finished insecticide per cycle. And what other challenges does your business entity face? Share them in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore technology and equipment for insecticide production can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.